What's going on, guys? Today we're going to look at how to generate random jokes using Python. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is install a module called PyJokes. So head on over to your Python terminal and type pip install PyJokes and press enter. This will begin the installation process. With that done, let's build our program. The first thing we're going to do is import the module we just installed. So when I say import PyJokes, and to print any jokes, we're going to say print in these parentheses, we're going to say pyjokes.getJokes. And that's all the code that we need. Now let's go ahead and run the program. And as you can see, Python has just printed out a joke for us. And what's interesting about this, if you haven't noticed, there are multiple jokes. But if we want to get a single joke, we can come back to our code and say get joke instead of get jokes. Now when you run the program, you'll see that it's giving us one joke. And the cool thing about this is that you can keep rerunning the program, and each time you'll keep getting a new joke. Now this video was pretty short, but if you enjoyed or found this video helpful in any way, shape or form, then consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I upload a new video. Also, if you have any constructive criticism or any questions or anything, comment them down below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.